Hello, welcome back to our channel. For today's video is how to log in Snapchat if forgot password and email. So there is one way to log in to Snapchat if you forgot password and email. The thing is, you should include your phone number associated with your account. So to show you, here are the steps to reset your password via SMS. So, if you open Snapchat here and you're going to go to log in and tap forget password, there will be two ways here. It's via phone and via email. So, you will choose how you want to reset your password via phone. And you will just submit your phone number here and they will send you a text verification code. And here it's already automatically put. And you will just gonna set your new password below. So your password must be at least 8 characters. And you'll just need to confirm the password. So make sure that it is a strong password. And you'll just try to log in with your new password. So that's it. I hope that this video helps. If you have any questions or comment, kindly put it in the comment section below, and if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks!